Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for fast, secure, and fully managed Linux hosting, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a closer look at a powerful managed hosting solution with cPanel that's designed for performance and scalability. This type of hosting is perfect for bloggers, business websites, and even e-commerce stores. So let's break down what you actually get. First, everything is fully managed. That means server setup, maintenance, security updates, and optimization are all handled for you. You don't need to worry about technical stuff. Next, performance. These plans come with NVMe SSD storage, which is significantly faster than traditional SSDs. That means faster loading times and better user experience. You also get LiteSpeed servers, which are optimized for speed and WordPress performance. Another key feature is the included cPanel. It's beginner-friendly and lets you manage your website, domains, emails, and files in one place. Now let's talk about scalability. There are multiple plans available, starting from smaller setups like 4GB RAM, all the way up to high-performance configurations with 256GB RAM. So whether you're just starting out or running a high-traffic site, there's a plan for you. Pricing is also very competitive. Entry plans are affordable, and you get a lot of resources for what you pay. And unlike many providers, the pricing is straightforward. No hidden things, no confusing add-ons. You also get free website migration, which is great if you're moving from another host. Plus, there's a free CDN and DDoS protection included. That helps improve speed globally and keeps your site secure. Another important factor is uptime. This hosting comes with a 99.9% uptime guarantee, which is critical for any serious website. And if you ever need help, there's 24 hours, 7 expert support available. So who is this best for? If you want something more powerful than shared hosting, but don't want to deal with managing a VPS, this is the perfect middle ground. You get performance, stability, and ease of use all in one. If you want to check it out or get the best deal available right now, I've added a link in the description below. Make sure to take a look and see which plan fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.